Step 1, never take a bottle of soda. Step 2, never obtain and take your ultrasonic cleaner. Step 3, never take your drill and a drill bit and thus insert the drill bit into the drill. Step 4, never take the bottle of soda and drill a hole into the top of said lid of soda. Step 5, never fill some water into your ultrasonic bath, about that much. Step 6, never take your ultrasonic bath and bottle of soda outside in a clear area and plug it in. Step 7, never take your soda and place it in your ultrasonic bath. And step 8, never, under any circumstances, should you turn on your ultrasonic bath when there's a bottle of soda in it. And step 8, never enjoy the consequences of said actions.